Namaste. One Earth
One chance.
gives us everything.
But what we are giving back?
Celebrating 54th World Environment Day this year, 5th June 2026. Environment Day 2026 is gonna to be amazing because the theme is climate action.
Be the generation that heals the earth. Happy World Environment Day 2026.
The Earth doesn't need a few people doing sustainability perfectly. It needs millions doing it imperfectly. This World Environment Day take one step for nature because there is no planet